Hello, this is Logan from CableCreation. I'm going to check if CableCreation CD0700 Type-C to high-res audio with PD charging adapter can work with my Galaxy S24 Plus. This phone is Galaxy S24 Plus. I also need my colleague Justin for help. Let me connect CD0700 to my Galaxy S24 Plus. Try to play online music. The music came from my Galaxy S24 Plus's built-in speaker. I connect this CTI TRS headphone to the 3.5 female port. Try to play the music again. Sound came from my CTI TRS headphone. This is a Type-C powered cable. It has connected to the PD power adapter. I will connect it to the Type-C female port. On the right top of my Galaxy S24 Plus, here we can get the charging function is working. I will try to call my colleague Justin. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can also use the pause button to stop the call. I will ask my colleague to call back. Okay, here we can get my colleague Justin just call me. When I just press the pause button, I can just accept the call. Hello, Justin.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Hold on, please. Just as you can see on my smartphone, I can just use the plus and the minus button to control the volume larger or smaller. I can also use the pause button to stop the call. When I just press the pause button, I can just end the call. Call ended. Okay, thank you, Justin. Through this short video, we can get that the CableCreation CD0700 can work with my Galaxy S24 Plus. I can just use a TRS CTI headphone to enjoy the music and call with my family or friend. I can also use the Type-C PD powered cable to charge my Galaxy S24 Plus. That's all. Thank you.